you can find any element by find toolbar. Go to home and find items. Here in category you can select category, item, element, a lot of option here to select. So if you select element, then you can select activity ID or area or elevation, everything you can select here. So if I select text and condition equal and the value RP2 and find next, then you can see the RP2 text is highlighted in the model. Then if you change the category as item and property as name or something, condition equal floor and find fast, you can see the slab selected in 3D. Then you can select the next one by find next. In this way you can find and select any element in 3D.